Right, I've just changed my settings so that PayPal's turned off. I've been testing it and I've probably messed it up a little bit. Let's just do the cart abandonment email though, right, while we are here. So let's go to orders, abandoned cart. Right, so Dave Nicholson 26 minutes ago came to the site, right, and abandoned the cart. So we see that he got the Happy Me cup, he put in the information of where he's from. I can add note to this checkout if you've got any information. Cart recovery email schedule. The reminder email will be sent to the customer at 2:31 in the morning, so I can cancel that email, right? And because it might not be a great time. Emails are not sent for free checkouts, so that's another thing. Or I can do contact customer, the drink report test, and send. Review email, send a cart. All right, yeah. So send it so I can send it. Before it said there was a little drop down with a bit of information. Customer message for custom message for this customer. So if I want to add something, and I can review it and send it. I'm not sure that's going to say anything, is it? Abandon checkout. Right. So you're approved to sell on Instagram. Well, that's good timing, isn't it? I'm not sure I can get that. I'm not sure I can get that set up for you today. But yeah, it's good timing. They've been absolutely. I've had to jump through some hoops to get through on Instagram. Instagram reviewed your products and approved your site. That's brilliant timing. The payment settings for drink report experience has changed. I've just changed that, and this should be in a cart abandonment. I messed that up. By clicking don't send, right? A reminder will be sent to the customer. How do I send that? The other ones had a different thing. Maybe it's because it's brand new. Let's go to this one. And send cart recovery, review email, send. So this is what they would have got really. Here's the complete your purchase, items in your cart. You've got the Happy Me cup to buy, right? So that's a little confusing, but it will send cart recovery.